byafura buhetura reka ntangwe nkoreshe umwana wa mbere rero nkoreshe ikirundi kicoroshe
Waraye nabona ijambo papa yavuze izina ryanjye ni Gideyo Marere Tumunatwe ndaza kugerageza mvuge mu kirundi mwumvise ngiye muri English kuko papa yavuze yatwari ku mafoto tumubaza nitute tudufashe gukora hano hantu tugire investment turazi investment is the future for the kids. And no you read ni mucho gereza nabariye David abana bacu birasabwe babe investment yacu kubera bagire umuryango wawe bakuzokure ahantu hameze neza bagire mu mashuri ameze neza bazomenye ibintu bizobafasha n'abana babo murakoze kutuzana ngaha uruno rwa mbere nzewe naze mu Burundi nzewe mumeze ngaho kubera ntimamara so I don't embarrass myself. I can live more other ones. Agatoya gadamwigisha muzobumva bakora n'abadamu kuvuga twebwe ufatuma turategura kazoza mu bandi bana bazogenda bakurikira rero ati nivyo turimo kugira ngo turebe muri kazoza ko hari ikigo abandi bana bazotonderera mwaraye mwiriwe jambo hello njyewe ndase iradukunda ndaza kuvuga mu kirongereza ikirundi kirangorana bikenya this is the hotel was a big deal for all of us, our family. This is for our future, and it kind of helped us invest into more. And coming here, knowing all of you guys over here, it helped us knowing, oh yeah, we're in good hands. This is all of our family. So thank you so much, and what I quote.
yavuze ngo aranezerewe no kuba yageze ngaha akaba bamenye twese mu muryango umwe turi umuryango umwe
biriwe nemi yanze niyo gusengwa pastor nanze nza kuvuga muri Kirundi ko nza kuvuga neza nza kuvuga muri English. I just wanted to say we're all super thankful for all of you guys. You guys helped create this. We haven't been here for the longest, but it's been nice to know that there's a lot of familiar faces that know us. And it's been a blessing to know that you guys all invited us with open arms. I know my father is really grateful to be here. It's the most I've seen him smile in a very long time. And there's nothing more we can be more thankful for than to be back home and in the heart of Burundi.
Ni America
babareje kunezererwa gusa baranezerewe rwose ego nta bindi bintu birenze keretse ko banezerewe kuva tugeze ngaha bakomeje kunezererwa nta najewe n'umuntu murakoze n'abana twageze ku kibuga cy'indege bamubaza ibyangombwa tuzana turebe noneho umuntu ari aho akora hariya ujya mutoya ati arasomye pato niyo gusengwa hanyuma acarunamuka kumbe mu bikorwa by'Imana yamubonye nk'umumisiyoneri cyangwa umupasitori hanyuma umwana arisigura atashida niryo zina njyewe Kristo nuko hanyuma rero icyo nagomba kumaririza ko mvuga abenshi dukunze guhurira